Hindi ko napigilan ang nadarama. Pag ika'y kasama, ang pangit ay gumaganda. Sabi nga nila kung tunay na ang pagsinta, kaya tuwing wala, happy ending ka.
Hello guys, welcome to Kevin Mitch channel. So we just came now from the beach. Still morning here in the island. So now we're going to the oldest tree, and at the same time we're going to the waterfall. Guys, maybe you can see this. Maybe you can do like this also. Yeah, put it here.
I have the sun on me.
Nice, look good. Shoulder on your back. And like this. Must I show that in the camera?
You can. Nice and stiff. Okay.
Look at my skin, my love. It's so brown now.
I know, sexy. Yummy.
Only 3 days, guys, huh?
I need to be here. Please, please, tara. Tara, please, please.
Oh! So hot. Here. This is the way going to the oldest tree. How old is that tree, my love?
Like 500 years old.
500 years old. Jane! Tarzan! Where are you? Wow. Wow, we are really totally in the jungle. Hello, jungle, pop, jungle.
Sa kagubatan ito ay hahanapin namin ang baka tree na kung saan ito ay matandang-matanda na, 500 taon na nakakalimutan. Mahanap kaya namin ni Chanel ang baka tree na ito sa kagubatan ito na napakalawak.
And we don't know, like no one is here. Even if we shout here, no one will hear us but the birds who is like tweeting and tweeting. For this.
Yes. Yeah, it's there.
We have to walk from there?
Yeah, we are here and we have to walk all the way
How
there.
many minutes do you think? It's really a giant maca tree.
It says 1 minute, but I think...
Come on, let's try. Let's try. Let's not lose hope. We are already here. I've been driving for this place.
Wait, Kevin, how do you save...
I'm making a
Wait,
drama,
wait, how do you save an offline map? I don't want to get lost there.
Malab, I'm making a drama. So we are now here. We are discovering this jungle place. Malab, can you help me take a video? Handa na ako! Guys, we are now in the depths. Look at this tree. It's very scary, huh? Something is like hissing on our ears. Sa tagpong ito, tila baga may kumakausap sa amin sa paligid. You can hear something. So there is 1, 2, and 3. We must go here maybe.
Here.
Are you okay, Malam? Let's go. So guys, this is a mission failed attempt on finding the maca tree. Because number 1, my wife is very scared about what is lies beneath on this jungle. And number 2, we don't have proper equipment. You can see we are just wearing shorts and some sandals. It's like we are going on, it's like we are just going to a outing, beach outing, something like that. And number 3 is the roads are quite muddy and the roads somewhere are like black. I don't want tourists. You see my wife now? Are you okay, my wifey? Where you want to go next? Going here. Okay?
Kaya waterfall.
Yeah, there. Habang naglalakad kami, may nakita kaming isang maliit na bahay. Doon namin napansin na nagtitinda sila ng prutas o tinatawag na sour soup o mas kilala natin bilang guyabano. Sa sour soup. Ang aking South African wife na si Chanel ay hindi pa nakakakita ng guyabano. Kaya nang makita namin ito sa maliit na tindahan, talagang na-curious siya. Pinakita ko sa kanya ang prutas na ito. Berde, medyo matinik ang balat pero sobrang bango. Okay, this one I want. Yeah, I buy.
Better this day.
It's very healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, nutritious.
And not have for sale.
Yeah, you cannot buy that in Bangkok.
Yeah. I just go pick.
Mm.
I just go get.
Yeah. Really? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, you have papaya. Oh,
Oh,
papaya.
this one? This 3? This one.
Ah. Wow. Ah, this one?
Yeah, it's just
A sour soup. This from here, guys. Oh, this is a sour soup. Yeah. Akalain mo, ginagawa pala itong shake. Medyo maasim-asim at matamis.
this is dangerous. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
You better be.
I'm taking video of you. At habang naglalakbay kami patungo sa waterfall ay tila wala kaming makitang waterfall. Nagtataas na ng mga bato at mga delikadong daan dito. Nang makita namin ang waterfall ay ito ang bumungad sa amin. The big one is better. You wanna swim here?
Yeah, you wanna
So
go?
what's next now?
To me, I was gonna take you to the nice waterfall.
It's okay, I think
We found the sour soup already.
Are you angry, Malam?
It was one waterfall.
Grabe, nakakapagod talaga ang pagpunta sa malaking talon. Kita ko na sa mukha ni Chanel ang pagod at konting inis. Kahit ganun, gusto pa rin naming ituloy. Malapit na kasi kami. At sa kabila ng pagod, excited pa rin kami na makita ang ganda ng talon na pinuntahan namin. Alam naming sulit ang lahat ng hirap na to. Alam naming malapit na kami. At hindi na kami makapaghintay na makita ang napakagandang tanawin na naghihintay sa amin. At ito na nga, sa wakas, nakita na namin ang talon. Guys, we are now enjoying the nature. Very nice. Honestly? Noong una, tahimik at walang masyadong tao. Para bang isang secret paradise. Pero habang tumatagal, unti-unti nang dumadating ang mga tao.
Picture bang mga...
Grabe, napakalinaw ng tubig. Napakalamig. At napakasarap mag-swimming, lalo na at kasama mo si Chanel. Okay?
Waterfall is really nice and hot, I must say.
What, Malab?
Oh, they're eating me. They're eating my jet ski.
Oh, really? Malab, look! Malab, look! Ah!
They're eating my leg. Woo!
Grabe, sobrang pasasalamat namin sa inyong lahat. Sa bawat comment na binabasa namin, ramdam na ramdam namin ang pagmamahal at suporta ninyo. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano kalaking inspirasyon ang nagbibigay nyo sa amin. Kaya mula sa puso namin, maraming salamat. Pagkatapos namin magsaya at mag-swimming sa lugar na ito, ay pumunta na agad kami sa pinakamatandang puno. Mga kayo guys, pupunta kami sa pinakamatandang puno dahil may mga nakapagsabi sa amin na malapit lang pala ang puno na yon dito.
Guys, so nandito lang pala yung Maka tree. Grabe. Grabe guys.
Whoa.
Wow. Nagugulat ka.
This tree is like over 500
Huh?
years old.
500 years old guys. Imagine that.
That's older than you and I put together.
500 years old.
Imagine being 500 years old.
This is the Maka tree. Dun, dun. It's so high. It's like you can climb on it.
Sinasabing ang punong ito ay mahigit 500 taong gulang na. Isang buhay na patunay na yaman at tibay ng kalikasan sa isla. Ang Maka tree ay matatagpuan sa gitna ng kagubatan ng Kokod. Kilala ito sa matibay at matagal na buhay. Ang mga ugat nito ay malalim at malawak.
Like very high. Oh. Large.
That's big, huh?
Three. Oh. Pagod kami dito. You okay?
How big is it then? Can we go all around it?
Yeah. Look at
This is like really
you.
ugly. I think
You wanna
we watched
climb?
too many Thai horror movies.
You wanna climb?
Like even like when the spirits are speaking.
It's really scary. Really thick. And high, oh.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating vlog. Pero hindi pa tapos ang adventure namin. Kayak trip naman, kung saan malalaman natin kung mas mabilis akong lumangoy kaysa lumubog. Kaya abangan!
Okay, right. Right.
Kanan. Kanan. Dream come true. Unlocking Popol Gold. Kayak for the first time.